silly stuff.
Can't get the concert.
Yeah,
My mother with Alzheimer's couldn't get the concert.
I'm okay. Off and park in
Yeah.
Bangkok to the Sapan Sanghi.
Yeah, and Penang Khao too. These three
Right,
places.
it's
Yeah.
really long rocks.
Yeah.
But I don't know how they go through the Bhumipol Dam on
Yeah, but I don't know either. But they used to come here and then they would take. Actually, they sit in the water for years sometimes, like big stacks of them, and then they take them out and cut them up. And I don't know how they did that actually.
Bangkok area. So today we're gonna walk from Bangkok to Tao Pon, and we stop at very famous ice cream at Tao Pon. And if you want to get the Isan food, just follow me to Bangkok.
Also,
You just started.
Nice and
Annual visit.
very bright. Yeah, I saw. Been down this way. So
Go ahead.
tempting. Do you live here or are you visiting? Extroverted and very introverted, but where I actually get my strength is at home alone.
Around here. So you can end up in a canal of above ground parking for the condos.
Oh,
Otherwise,
because of the flooding, huh?
and space, but it's
สวัสดีครับ
ครับสวัสดีครับ
ทำงานบวชจ้างานบวชค่ะ
เราอายุ65นะโอ้โหอายุ65นะ
65ก็เอา65ก็ได้นะคะ
This is monument of two king of Ayutthaya, the great king, the Phanareswaran, the great king of Ayutthaya. When Ayutthaya fall down to the Burmese the first time, the King Bureng-nong of Burma took all of brother sister kept in Hong Sawadi city in Burma like a hostage. Yeah.
อืม
ตรงนี้เนี่ยนึงอ่ะโป๊ะนึงอ่ะ
À, bỏ ở đây à?
โป๊ะตรงนั้นน่ะ
Thailand do actually.
When if I turn it on, I have to turn.
Chùa là in temple. Chùa.
temple.
Quả. It also comes from Chinese. It's meaning like I think it's like large, kind of like massive, and full meaning like blessing.
This may be a personal question, so you don't have to answer it.
Yeah.
But I'm just thinking, you know, you're from Mexico. What do you think about all these illegal immigrants coming over?
Horrible. Listen, I'm okay right now because my two kids are out of United States, but my two kids are American, but their dad is Cuban American. The first wave of Cubans that came out with Castro. And I'm Mexican, so I was very afraid of my kids, even though they're American and I have my passport too. I was afraid of being in the United States.
Oh,
Oh, I told.
บาทด้วยโอ้ท่วมนะ
Oh, this is the other part of the where we couldn't go.
Yeah, this is the other side.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, there is two? What you do is that you buy, there is a, depending on the day that you, that is fish food.
The Wat Yuan Vietnamese temple.
A lot of money, huh?
A lot of money.
They got the land, that's why. Yeah. River right there, and that's why this area is prone to flooding. Looks like a king and queen.
Hey, it's actually called Wood Street, and it's the original street with all the woodworkers. And so we have to go that way anyway, so it's not adding any extra to it, but we'll go through, and it's really lovely. It's beautiful to be able to see all the woodwork and just the massive amounts of stuff they make. A lot of the workers now are Burmese, but yeah, and a lot is done by machine, but you can still see handcrafted.
$3,800 baht.
So it is.
Yes, they're super but comfortable.
เนี่ยภาคภาคคุกกูเองอยู่มาภาคคุกหนึ่งฮะตอนแรกก็ภาคคุก
A train or
I'm looking near where I'm staying now. It's really not like the neighborhood near Benchikadi or it was more like a travel expo. Last or 2 weeks ago, it looked like it was a travel expo. Was it?
Yeah, could be. Yeah, the money at my took until I was in my 30s to be somewhat stable and responsible.
Right here, but if you like to have Isan food, ไก่ย่างส้มตำข้าวเหนียว Yeah, follow me. We do. No more.
That's gonna be spicy. I focused it normal, spicy, so it's gonna be hot. Very good.
To be spicy.
Yeah, with sensory.
It's a fish head.
There's one. Is there only one fish in it? That's one.
There's an eye. I cannot see. You know?
Where the fish.
there was a time that I fished professionally, like in concert tournaments like
And sometimes you get